With BLURAMS Smart Video Doorbell, you can talk to whoever's at your door remotely from wherever you are.
Package delivered?
The intelligent voice response works automatically for convenient communications at all times.
Washing our hands.
The free loop recording service saves important data up to 72 hours. No hidden fees, ever. The full event video recording feature guarantees you won't miss anything. BLURAMS also works with IFTTT, which allows it to be connected to other smart devices,
Welcome home, honey.
such as door locks, lights, alarms, and Alexa. Smarter and safer. The powerful BLURAMS app lets you filter specific events, so you see only what you want. Just like this. You can also easily customize the motion detection distance to exclude areas such as busy sidewalks and roads. With BLURAMS motion detection and anti-theft alarm system, you'll never miss anything. Simple and quick installation in just minutes. Wireless or wired, choose whichever you like. No matter when or where you are, BLURAMS Smart Video Doorbell is always with you.